To download MetaTrader 4, start by visiting the official MetaTrader website or a reliable brokerage platform that offers the software. Look for the download section, as this is where you will find the MetaTrader 4 installation file. Make sure to choose the version that corresponds to your operating system, whether it is Windows or Mac. Once you have located the download link, click on it to begin the download process. The file will typically be saved to your default downloads folder. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder and locate the MetaTrader 4 installer file. Double-click on the file to launch the installation process and follow the prompts on your screen. During installation, you may be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Be sure to read through them before clicking to proceed. You can also select the destination folder where you want MetaTrader 4 to be installed. If you are unsure, it is best to leave it as the default setting. After the installation is complete, you can find MetaTrader 4 in your Applications or Programs list. Open the application and follow any additional setup prompts, such as creating a new account or logging into an existing one. Once you are logged in, you will be ready to start trading using MetaTrader 4.